Very good evening, all. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu Wealth Management Private Limited, and this session is about the market closing analysis, how the market was closed, and what was the discussion we had today morning about the levels and whether the support have taken or the resistance have taken, and how the market was closed and how we can expect for tomorrow's movement. We can discuss like this in this session. Actually, in the morning itself, we have found that around 81 points of gap up opening in Nifty future, that is on the day before yesterday, that is previous closes around 18,264 in Nifty future, but it was opened on 18,345, nearly 81 points gap up opening. From there, the high made till now is 18,375 level. So after that, the Nifty got sustained to the lower level only. But Bank Nifty is very strong compared to Nifty, and we are continuously seeing that for last 3 sessions to 4 sessions, the Bank Nifty is very strong compared to Nifty. We are seeing. But then Bank Nifty can't able to drag Nifty to the upper side, because in the morning itself we have seen from yesterday's close of Bank Nifty future, that is day before yesterday's close of Bank Nifty future is 41,845, and today it was opened around 42,010, nearly 160 points of gap up opening we have seen in morning in Bank Nifty future. But after that, it made a high towards the level of 42,040 level in morning, I am saying. After that, it got down to the level towards 41,800 level, 860 something. So after that, then the Bank Nifty took a support over there and went up to the level of 42,098, the high made. So Bank Nifty was very bullish and very strong and compared to Nifty, but at the closing, the Bank Nifty was closed at 41,866 level with the low of 41,841 made. So if we see about Nifty's performance and Bank Nifty's performance, Nifty future was closed around 0.41 percentage minus, and if you see about Bank Nifty's performance, it's on 0.05 percentage upside closing. If you see about the spot market, about Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, Nifty 50 was closed on 0.25% minus, but Bank Nifty was closed on 0.23% positive only, and it was closed on 41,783 level. Okay, whatever the support and resistance I have discussed, that thing I have taken, if we will be discussing later. But I have told you in the morning, with the support of the European market, then we can expect the rally towards the higher mode. But the European markets have started with a negative opening. So if we see about the European markets, that FTSE was trading on minus 0.41% and CAC on minus 0.52% and DAX on 0.90% minus. So this is of European market. So our market after 1:32 o'clock, likewise our market is adjust to the level of downside movement we have seen. So according to this movement, what the support we have explained in the morning. Whenever the market was at the level of 18,313 level, the support we have told towards Nifty future is that 18,286 support was there, I have told. So whenever 18,286 is broken, then we can have a rally towards 18,230 and 18,191 respectively, likewise. But at the end, it was closed at the level of 18,190 with the low made of 18,183, the low made. So the support was broken, but the resistance, if you see, 18,341 resistance was there. If the 18,341 is broken, the next and strong resistance is that 18,380 level. But if you see, the high is made out 18,375 level, so it was not broken the strong resistance of 18,380 level. So if the 18,380 was broken, means then we can expect the rally towards 18,430 or 450 likewise, but it was not broken and the higher level was not sustained and it came down to the level. If you see about the Bank Nifty also similar way, 42,077 a strong resistance, I have told you in the morning itself, but it was broken, the 42,077, but the higher level was not sustained, so it came down to the level of 41,841 likewise. But the support level for Bank Nifty in the morning, we have told 41,870 as support was there. If 41,870 was broken, then we can have a rally towards 41,744 likewise. But it was broken as support and it was traded at the level of 41,841. So compared to Nifty, the Bank Nifty was not that much gone down to the level when compared to Nifty, I am saying. Okay, how we can expect for tomorrow? If you see, I am expecting tomorrow we can have a gap down opening, because if you see about the Asian markets, maximum of the Asian markets are on a negative. If you see, Nikkei was down by 0.56% closing, we have seen, and Hang Seng minus 0.12% closing, 1.2% it was closed. This is of Asian market, but some of the Asian markets are all positive only, but Taiwan index, if you see, 2.81% is positive, and Straits Time is 0.63% positive. So if the US market also opening and trade and closing on a downside, and if you see the European markets are also closed on a downside, but tomorrow the Asian markets are opening on a negative side, then our market we can have a gap down opening towards the level of 18,140, 150 level, nearly 40 to 50 points gap down we can expect. But I am expecting from the gap down the market can recover. It can be a possible move. So whenever the gap down about the tomorrow's market, then our market can be a recover market, I am expecting. Or else if the gap up market is forming, then we can have a one side market of the bullish market we can have. This is my view, I am sharing it. So I am expecting tomorrow, if the Asian markets are open and trading on a downside, then our market can be a 40 points or 50 points gap down can be a possible one, I am saying, in Nifty future. About Bank Nifty future, if you see, nearly 100 to 120 points can be a gap down opening, can be possible. If the European markets, or that is US market and Asian markets are positive, if we see, then we can have a gap up market towards 80 points or 100 points gap up can be possible in Nifty future, and 150 to 200 points can be possible in Bank Nifty future gap up. So this is my view I am sharing. Okay, according to my view, if you want to trade, you need to discuss with your investment advisor or your wealth manager before entering into your trade. Okay, coming to the point, any other news are there for today's market? If you ask me, some of the news are there. 3M India company have come up with a positive quarterly results, and they are coming up with an interim dividend of 850 rupees per share. So this is our interim dividend, and India Trade Ministry seeks to include the steel sector under export promotion scheme. This is a major news for the steel industries, and some of the India Trade Ministry proposes steel sector incentive of about 244 million US dollars. This is also a news about it. And positive results, some of the companies are coming up with the positive quarterly results. Which are the companies? If you see, Westlife Food World and Gateway District Parks, then Ryco Auto Industries, then Astra Microwave Products, then Barbecue Nation, then Snowman Logistics, Royal Orchid, then Godrej Properties, then Good Luck India. These are the companies are coming up with the quarterly positive results today, and negative results of companies, which are all the companies are coming under the negative results of quarterly. If you see, Nuvoco, Vistas Corp, and Kiri Industries, and Haikel, Finolex Cables, then Bajaj Consumer Care, and Solara Active Pharma, then Ramco Cement, then National Aluminium, then Ambika Cotton Mills, then Benkis. These are the companies are coming under with the negative quarterly results of today. Okay. Then about the sector-wise performance, which are the index or indices are coming into the sector-wise performance today is that Nifty Bank it was closed on 0.23% positive, and FMCG on 0.26% positive. Then TSU banks on 3.93% positive. Earlier I have told you that banking sector is a very strong one compared with the Nifty, I am saying. But some of the sectors given a negative closing also. Nifty Metal is minus 0.93%, and Nifty IT minus 0.40%, then financial services on 0.40%, then auto sector on minus 0.70%. These are all the sectors are in a negative closing today. And top gainers and top losers for Nifty today is that today's movement is that Adani Ports 3.99% positive, then Coal India 2.93% positive, then ITC 2.04% positive, then Hero MotoCorp 0.88% positive, then Dr. Reddy 0.87% positive. These are the companies under top gainers list for today's performance, and top losers of today's performance is that Hindalco minus 4.74%, then Power Grid minus 4.04%, then Divis Lab minus 3.44%, then Grasim minus 2.04%, Sri Cements minus 1.78%. These are the companies on top losers list today. Okay, coming to the point, I will share my screen now towards how the Nifty and Bank Nifty's performance was that. Then after that, we will discuss about the options opportunity, how it made. Here I am sharing you a chart of Nifty future. It's a 15 minutes candle I am sharing you, and today's movement I am sharing you now. From the morning itself, Nifty was very weaker when from the opening itself. If you see 81 points of gap up opening formed in Nifty future, and it was opened on 18,345, and high made is 18,375. From the high made, the next candle's low is, that is first candle's low is 18,292, but the second candle's low is 18,282 level. So earlier we have told the support is at 18,286. So whenever the support of 18,286 are broken, if you would have gone for a short, then the low made towards the level is 18,183, the low made at 2:45 p.m. So only downside movement we are seeing in Nifty future. Some spikes were there, some spikes in the sense at 115 we found that the low made is 18,243. From 18,243 the high made is 18,299. So nearly 50 points spike within half an hour period. After that the market was not sustained to that 18,300 level, then it came down to the level of 18,183. At the close, 18,190 was the today's Nifty futures close. So tomorrow, I have told you earlier, according to the global cues, our market we can expect the move, but I am expecting some gap down move about Nifty future towards 40 to 50 points of gap down movement I am expecting. If you see about the Bank Nifty future chart I am showing you now, it's a 15 minutes candle chart, and today's movement you are watching. Yes, you see here from the morning Bank Nifty was very strong. It was not sustained to the lower level. If you see first 15 minutes candle, 42,010 is the opening, the high made is 42,040, but low made is 41,870. But the second candle broken the first candle's low towards 41,850, but further it moved the rally towards 41,979. The consolidated move till 12 o'clock have happened. Till 12 o'clock the movement was at 41,870 level to 41,990, 980 level it was moved. After 12 to 12:15 likewise the low made is 41,841. From there the high made towards the level of 42,098, the possible level. It was broken the morning's high level of 42,040, but the Nifty drags the Bank Nifty towards the down level, because if you see 42,077 are a strong resistance. I have told you it was not sustained the level, and it came down to the level of 41,858 the low again, and it was closed around 41,866 level. So tomorrow I am expecting some 100 to 150 points of gap down opening in Bank Nifty. It is a possible, but tomorrow is a weekly expiry, so we need to be cautious on our levels. Whenever the trend setters happen, then only we need to enter into a trade, or else we need to sit and watch the market carefully. Coming to the point of options market, we have seen in Nifty only a bearish trend, but how the call option writers have made an opportunity, and how the buyers in put option made an opportunity, likewise we will discuss. First of all, we will discuss about the option writers in call option, how they have made an opportunity. It's a 15 minutes candle, and today's move. As a writer, he was very confident on the market towards the lower level. The 18,100 call option Nifty, you see in the morning it was opened on 155.6 and high made towards a level of 213. So from 213 level, the low made towards at the end is 80. So nearly 130 points of downside we have seen. So the option writers had an opportunity towards 130 points in 18,100 call option. Nifty if they are confident on the market to be downside. And if you see about the option bias in put option 18,200 put option in Nifty, I will share you 15 minutes candle and today's movement. It's a very good move we have seen. It morning it was opened at 50 and the low made is 30. Very low premium towards 30, in a sense only 1500 our investment would be. So if we are taking that much of risk of 1500, at the next time at 1045 level the high made is 72.95, nearly double the movement, more than the double it was more within 1.5 hour period. So if you see that 245 level, for example, 245 level the high made is 104, so nearly 70 points have moved from the lower level. If the option buyers are very confident on the market of towards the lower level, they can easily tap this 70 points in options put option 18,200 Nifty put option, because the premium was very low, towards 30 points is the premium, so nearly 1500 would be investment, the 70 points as a profit, in a sense nearly 3500 as a profit. So this much of opportunity was there in today's market itself. But if you see about tomorrow's market, the weekly expiry, the option rally would be that is tremendous movement we can see in option movement. So if that much of risk they are taking, they will be getting a good opportunity level. So coming to the point of Bank Nifty put option, I will show you now. 41,800 put option, it's a 15 minutes candle and today's movement, because that Bank Nifty is very strong till 245, likewise I have told you. So if you see in the morning it was opened on 184 level and the high made is 233. Again the next candle itself the high made is around 250. So other than that 242 is the high made at 12 o'clock. So some consolidated move only happened, but from 242 level the low made is 120, nearly 120 points have gone downside. The option writers or enter into the trade of 41,800 put option Bank Nifty, they can tap easily 120 points in Bank Nifty. The similar way that for 41,800 call option, if you see call option 41,800 Bank Nifty, it's a very consolidated move only it was happened. We can have two opportunities in that. If you see about option writer at 275 can enter and the low made is towards 151, nearly 120, but at the level of 150 the option buyer are entering into the trade in 41,800 call option, then the high made towards 299, nearly 140 points have moved upside within 1 hour to 1.5 hours likewise. So this kind of opportunity is there in options Nifty or in Bank Nifty also, but only thing is that we need to enter into the right time and enter into the right strike and enter into the right trend. So without trend analysis you can't able to trade, you should not trade, you need to invest, you need to discuss with your investment advisor or wealth manager before entering into a trade, or you can comment on a comment box, we will be reverting on it, and this session will be very useful for you I think. So if you have any queries you can comment on comment box, we will be reverting on it. Thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.